Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Khanom Tokyo. It's a kind of pancake roll. It's Thai street snack. It's thin flat pancake filled with the custard cream. First, start with the custard cream. To make the custard cream, we put 1 egg into the bowl and then add the sugar, 75 grams. Then continue to stir until it's mixed well. Add half teaspoon of the vanilla extract. And then add 240 grams of the milk. Add 25 grams of the corn flour. And then mix everything until it's homogeneous. This recipe we use butter 25 grams, but before we need to use half of 25 grams and put in the saucepan and then pour the mixer through a strainer back into the saucepan. Cook over medium-low heat, whisking constantly until thicken and slowly boiling. For the homemade custard cream, we can use in delicious filling for popular desserts. You can see now start thicker, and then we can add the butter that remained from the before and put at that, and then continue to stir and remove from the heat. And then let's cool slightly. Cover with the plastic wrap. Lightly press the plastic against the surface to prevent the skin from forming. And then can put in the refrigerator until 1 hour before using. The next one is to make the batter for this dessert. By add 2 eggs into the mixing bowl. Add 35 grams of sugar and then mix everything together. Add half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add 140 grams of milk. For this recipe, I will put the ingredients in description box below. And add 25 grams milk unsalted butter into the mixture. And then sift 120 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and quarter teaspoon of salt. Continue whisking until both liquid and flour are used up. Pour the mixture through a strainer. This one is helped the batter is more smooth. Now it's ready, and then let it rest for about 30 minutes before cooking. For the pancake, use a frying pan non-stick. It's better to use for this. Add some butter and whip around the pan with a piece of paper towel. And use the low heat, but before you cooking, you need to check the hot on the pan by use the water spray. If it's evaporation, it means it's ready. And pour the batter just as you like for the size, but today I use for the 1 tablespoon, 1 large tablespoon per pieces. And then use the back of spoon to spread the batter evenly, circular shape of the pancake. And now you can see the bubble on the surface of pancake. It means it's half of cooked. And then we put the 1 tablespoon of the custard in the center of the pancake. When the downside is golden brown, and then roll up the pancake. And continue to do the same until it's finished. There are 2 types of Thai pancake roll. One is a crispy outside and another one is a soft like I do today. But if you want the crispy, I will put the link in the description below. You can use that recipe too. And now it's almost done and serve immediately. So I hope you give this try for this recipe, and I hope you like this video. You can see the pancake roll is so soft, and combined with the custard cream is so delicious. For this menu, you can find easily in the Thai street food. If you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.